Hi everyone, welcome to 10th class for math class. Today I am going to explain pair of linear equation two variables exercise 3.3 second one. The 1, 2, 3 is over. Exercise 3.3. Now I am going to explain page number 74, fourth problem. Meena went to bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. Meena went to the bank withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 500 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes only. 100 to 50 rupees notes మాత్రమే ఇవ్వాలని కోరుకుంది. మీనా గాట్ టోటల్ 25 notes in all. టోటల్గా 25 notes వచ్చినవాడికి. Find how many notes of 50 rupees and 100 she received. 50 rupees notes ఎన్ని తీసుకుంది, 100 ఎన్ని తీసుకున్నా అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, so this is the exercise 3.3, page number 74, second one, fourth problem. First, the number of rupees 50 is equal to x. 50 rupees notes x తీసుకున్నారనుకోండి. Let the number of rupees 100 is equal to y. Given Meena got the total notes x plus y is equal to 25 notes have తీసుకుంది equation 1. Then x notes 50 ఎన్ని తీసుకుంది, 50 into x plus 100 into y is equal to 2000. So 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Divide it to 50 on both sides. The 50 and 50 cancel. 50 in the 2 times cancel. This is the 40 times cancel. So remaining x plus 2y is equal to 40. Say equation to this one. So x plus 2y is equal to 40. X plus y is equal to 20. First equation. Subtract this one. This is becomes minus minus minus. X and x cancel. 2y minus y is equal to 40 minus 25, 15. So you got y. What is the y? Let the number of rupees 100 notes. In y kada in 100 rupees notes 15. Substitute y value in equation 1. What is the first equation? X plus y is equal to 25. X plus what is the y value? 15 is equal to 25. X is equal to 25 minus 15. X is equal to 10. What is the x? Rupees 50 rupees notes. So the number of 50 rupees notes x is equal to 10. The number of 100 notes y is equal to 15. This is the solution. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and like it. Copy in your notebook.